Right, this is gonna be quick, 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 quick. So this is what I want to say for those who love taking multiple trades. Rule number one: don't add trades until you are in profit. So this trade right here have been added. It does have a stop loss. Remember, we need to use a stop loss. This trade right there have a stop loss, but the stop loss is right there. Can you see that? This is a new trade that I just added. So what we can do to protect ourselves, we can also make this trade risk free by hiding the stop loss inside that. Okay. Technically speaking, these two trades are in profit. These two, and at break even. Okay. So if price decides to go all the way down, they're gonna get stopped out, but we won't lose for all the trades. We're just gonna, these ones are just gonna be cancelled. So if this thing goes all the way up and you wanna add another trade, we will have to protect this third one, which is this one that you're seeing here. Okay, that is what I mean by not don't add trades until you're in profit. So for those who love taking multiple trades for some odd reason, because the main goal should be to protect us. So if this one loses, I believe it's just gonna take $300 from that if the whole Chandis goes back. But if it can reach, this one can reach this particular point, this one right there, that will be 210 rands. If it goes, decides to go all the way up, that will be $400, right? Then I can start moving this stop loss so that all the trades have stop losses at break even. Okay, maybe that will help for those who have tiny accounts. That's why I'm doing it on a tiny account like that, but I wouldn't behave like that on a much bigger account. So, but if you are all about that, adding more trades and all that shandies, that's something that you can do. Once one is in profit, you move a stop loss to break even, then you know that okay, sharp. If you want to continue adding trades as it moves up, which is not a great practice though, but people love doing that, so we might as well include some safety precautions for those who love doing that. So I thought I should share also that particular sort of approach. So don't add trades until you are in profit. So this one was as well, it's going nicely into profit, but not quite. But if it takes off to the upside, we're gonna lock it. We might not add another trade, we might just keep on locking the profits below it. So that is what I wanted to show you. Until you are in great profits, don't add trades. Don't take trades at the same level where you buy 10 times. But you can simultaneously have a lot of trades as you move up, as long as you're locking those ones that are lower. Okay, because the account is small. I mean, if you make 1,000 rands from this account, you're good to go. And there were losses. Let me just show you. There were multiple losses on this. I had put up 1.5 so that I can show you all this on a tiny account, because it doesn't make sense for Vindi to come out with an account size that is big, so you can't relate to what I'm doing. So here again, so you can see there's a loss. But you see 3 losses, 2 wins. How is it that we're still in profit of 150? Because we're managing those losses. We made sure that the losses are tiny. Can you see that the losses are tiny and they were covered by these 2 wins? So that is the main point. So let's just go back to that. So now that this thing is taking off, let's do this. Let's move our stop loss from here to there. Okay, then let's move the others as well, because now it's taking off. Then we start moving them, but we're not going to move them tightly. Maybe if we get to 1,000 rands, we might close all of them. I mean, 1,000 rand, you can pour half tank depending on your vehicle. Yeah, you can pour half tank. So yeah, so let's see if it continues to the upside a little bit, we get to 1,000 rands, we might just close everything there. But notice how if it comes back down, all these things are protected. This is risk free, all of them risk free. Okay, so if it comes all the way down here, it's gonna stop this one. If it comes down, it's gonna stop this one first. But it won't take money from our balance. Okay, okay. That is what I wanted to show you guys. Yeah, look, multiple trades, protection. That's the rule number one. Protect your capital. I always say protect your capital, protect your capital. Okay. So for those who love doing this whole shandies for odd reasons, the account is small. I understand. I purely understand why people do that. Account sizes are small. You cannot afford. You really cannot afford to move slow. Sometimes that is a shandies. Abo. But if you make like maybe 1,000 rands every day, you're good to go. Abo. But there are days where you're gonna lose. So that is why I'm showing you that um protect your funds if you wanna do this. So if one wanted to add another buy here, this buy is a new buy. Do you realize that if we buy here, that buy will be a new buy? That buy will be a new buy. So we could potentially do what with that new buy? It will have a risk because the stop loss won't be at break even. So, but this three that we have right here, my man, even if this thing can go back, we can keep on moving these guys. So if it continues going up, going up, going up. So for those who love chasing price, guys, I can't believe I'm telling you guys these things now. But if it works for you, that's why I always say if it works for you, you can do it over and over again. Do it. But the main goal, protect your profit. So can we close this? Can we close all of them? We've made that 1,000 that we're talking about. So if you want to target that 1,000 every day or whatever the case might be, but make sure that your stops are very tight. Like I was showing you here, the stops very, 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 very tight. Can you see? Very, very. That's what you would need to master. If you can master this, you won't blow. Stops very, very, very tight. Even if you lose, you'll have to lose more. But that win is gonna, because look at this. Look at this. Even if I close this one, right? Let's close one of these guys right there and move stop loss to break even. You see, we've closed that, or maybe we can close another one. I don't know, move the stop loss to break even for this one. Let's put it there, right? It's fine. Now that we've closed that, notice how that particular win that we've closed, I want you to see something. Yeah. Notice right there that the wins are bigger than the losses. That's how you stay alive. That's how you stay alive. The wins needs to be bigger. We can do this, guys, for the next 20 days and all the chances. Okay. We can do that for the next 20 days on different instruments. But make sure that you manage your risk nicely. So this one is sorted. Stop loss nicely placed at break even. Can even move it there. Okay. For both. So this is risk free. But don't keep on adding because you'll buy even on resistance. You find yourself buying on resistance. So let's just keep it there. For this, was it for this one? Oh yes, for that one. Let's just keep it there. It might come back and cancel all the trades, but we won't be losing. Or what we can do, we can cancel the one with 400 and leave the other one, if that's okay. You can cancel this one, lock in that 400, put it in your pocket. Okay, now your balance is so how much? 1,000 more from what we had put up. Then we have this one trade now at break even. Then you wait for it to become big as well. Then you close it. So if you go to your terminal here, all those losses were cancelled. You've made 1,000 profit anyway. But you do have losses. Okay. But you see, there are losses. Okay. I don't know if maybe to me it sounds easy or what. Guys, let me know if maybe it sounds easy but hard to do. Maybe I might keep on doing these videos every day so that we at least get the hang of how you can do it. But this is how one can actually approach it. Because if you don't lock it, you don't know if this thing is gonna turn or not. That is why you must be very quick to lock. As soon as they start moving fire, you have seen how I didn't lock this instantly. I waited for it to take off a little bit, then I moved the stop loss. Because if you are too quick to lock, you might find that now you have locked early, and you looking early, this thing comes back and hit you with tiny profits. So there's I wish I could like transcribe it in a way that you will understand if it was possible for me to just give you the feeling, transfer the feeling to you so that you understand the entire approach. But that is what you can do. So don't add until you are in profit. Okay. say you were to add, okay, let's do this. Say you were to add a buy now, right? This one is no longer a risk. This one is a risk free. Let's say you were to add a buy here and put a stop loss below this one. Okay, let's first figure out how much that will be before we even add. So if we were to buy here and put our stop loss, let's see, we want to figure out how much we'll be risking before we actually take that risk. That will be 180. So from a buy from here, that will be 180, 82 rands. Okay. So if we can take it with a buy limit, I'm just showing you, okay, so that you understand. So if you're one of those people, because if I don't, if I don't show you with a practical example, then it's gonna be chaotic. So if we're to buy somewhere around that point, let me get this price label with a buy limit so that when it goes down a bit, it finds our order there. Let's see, buy limit at this price. Let me paste it there. The stop loss needs to go to this point so that we get that 173 risk. So you see how we're managing that risk. You see that. I'm not sure. Hit a like if you're still watching this video and it's helpful. Share maybe with your friends or on other platforms, your Facebook, your Telegrams, and all that. If you think this is helpful, and then let's place that one. Okay, so I've placed that buy limit there. Okay, but notice how let's make sure that yes, the stop loss there, you can see it's around 175. So we've already controlled this one, this one right here. I want you guys to pay attention. This one right here, this one right here, it's no longer a problem because the stop loss is at break even. The one that is a problem is this one, this new one that we've just placed, because the stop loss now it's down here. It's not yet at break even. Okay, okay, makes sense. Let's see. It get triggered. Why is it? Why is it not triggered? But price is below it. Can you see that price went down, but not triggering it? All right. This is where now we see these dodgy brokers. We see these dodgy brokers. Did you see this thing going below the buy limit and it didn't buy? Did you see it? Maybe let's wait for it again. Do you see? Now it's coming back. You see? You see? You see? It's going down, but it didn't buy. Dodgy brokers. Dodgy brokers. So if anyone from these brokers watching, let us know what's happening. Because this is, you see it's going down, but we still have that buy limit there. It's not triggered yet. What is that? What is the broker doing there? What is that? We're not taking a lot of money anyway. Why would they do shit like that? I mean, it went down here. Look at that. We can see that this candle even went down below that. Eh? Eh? What is that? Anyone from the broker? Let us know. Let us know. Let us know what is happening. There's our buy limit there. There's our buy limit there. You're telling us it's too close. No, why didn't you just reject it and say, there's our buy limit? It's not triggered. Or is it triggered? It's not showing that it got triggered. But look, it keeps on becoming green. Now, did you see what this broker did? It triggered at a much lower level. You're manipulating. But the level is here. Why are you triggering down there? You want to tell me about the ask line? Okay, yes. That will be another thing. If you're telling me about the ask line, because I don't have the ask line here showing. So let me just show you to explain for those who don't know what I'm talking about. Show the ask line. So the ask line is this red line right here that you're seeing. So sometimes price can hit that, and if the spread is big, it might take forever for it to get triggered. Can you see? So the ask line takes forever to do that. Pass up. Pass up, young. Okay, so that is sorted. That is sorted. The people from the broker can relax now. Okay, let's see. Remember, Remember, this particular one have a stop loss here. So if we get stopped out there, we sorted. Okay, the other, yes, that one is out. We only have this one. That one is out, but I don't know. Okay, now this is why it's dodgy. Let's see. That one is out. That one is out. Let's see if this one's gonna be out as well. So I can do this over and over again. So let's look at that one that got closed. So this is the recent order that got closed out. You see, but it didn't take anything from our balance. Why? Because it was locked in. But this one, because we added, it's new. It doesn't have money yet. It's still a new trade. If it goes down, it's gonna take from our balance. That is why we prepared that 174 from that. So people from trade 25, you all can relax. The ask line, we understand. It's sorted. But if we had trade spreads, that would have been triggered nicely. So yeah, you can relax. You're watching me now. You can drop a comment down there and say we're from trade 25. Yeah, what is it? Trade 245. I'd appreciate that. Just for fun. If you're watching it. Okay, so let's wait for this one. Let's wait for this one. See, as soon as it hits this level in profit, we're gonna move our stop loss to break even and make it free. But now it's not free. But we are prepared for it. If it goes against us, we are prepared. That is why we've calculated that. You saw me calculating the amount that I'd like to risk. So be prepared always so that you don't find yourself panicking and all that. Because now you know if it goes down, hit a stop loss, it's only gonna take 174. I mean, compared to what we have closed, you can say that we are not having targets. To say we're not really waiting for those targets. That's why you must be very, very, very smart, because this account is small. It's hard, guys. I'm gonna say this again. It's hard when your account is very small. You can't do some of the stuff that Vindi will be teaching you, whereas Vindi is trading a different account size. Obo, I feel like it's unfair to a whole lot of people for me to do that. Okay, so that is why now I'm showing you with this one. So if this one gets stopped out, we're just gonna go back to 900 and something rands there, which is still okay. I mean, if you've made that much, so you can do this over and over again every day, every day, every day, every day. So that's why I'm doing it now on this video. Okay. But the balance it's not helping, the bonus it's not helping anything. The bonus credit, it doesn't help us. It only allows us to open more trades, but it doesn't allow us to go to a negative what they've deposited. So it's just there to allow you to it's an entrance fee of some sort. Abo? So it allows us to open more trades. Because NASDAQ is expensive, you'll need more money to trade it. Okay, because if you look, let me just show you. I've already said this on another video. If you look right here, the margin, it takes 418 rands for you to trade NASDAQ. So that's how much you need for one trade on NASDAQ. So the bonus, at least, even if you fund 400 and then they give you that, you can like trade NASDAQ. But if you go to negative instantly, you're just gonna blow because the bonus won't protect you. There's no negative on this particular broker right here. Yeah, like I said, people from the broker can holler at me if they're. I mean, we didn't take a lot of money from them. It's just 1,000. You guys won't cry. You take millions from clients anyway. But we could take from you for the entire month. How about that? They should comment down here if they're watching. We could take from them. That will be dope. If they want us to take, we can take. Those who take us. Okay? Bam, 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 bam. Wait for it to stop. Don't even panic and move a stop loss. No, the stop loss is calculated. Stop. We don't care. Stop it. This one's gonna stop us. It stopped us. It's gonna go back from here. It's gonna go back. It's gonna go back. let's see, change the time frame. See if there's something. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this candle to take a buy. This one, if it hits this level, I'm buying. I'm buying this level. I think my stop loss. Yeah, let's figure out how much that is. I'm buying. 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 You buying. You buying. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, we're buying where? Let me put that tool again and find that level. There we go. Let's do 78. But that is a bit low. That is a bit. Do this. It might just go back fast, but it's fine. So don't panic buy. Don't panic buy. The stop loss down here. So it's going back. So you go back after taking our money. You go back. Into what is your kinga? You go back after taking around this point, and the stop loss, yeah. You're buying, you're going back after taking our money. That is 174 rands if we're buying here. And if we're putting our take profit, we can put it, if we put it here, it's 200 and something. We need more. We're greedy now. We need more than that. So if we can get, let's see. Let us see. If we can get how much? 518. That will do. We are buying, so let's fill that pending order. Hey, not that. We're not gonna risk that much. That's a lot. So you can see that all the amount that we're risking, let's go back and let me show you that. So can you see that all the amount that we've risked, it's less than 200. And we have how many losses? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where this one was stopped at break even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins. But this is the tiniest win because it was at break even. Okay, it was stopped out, as you can see. So got stopped out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 wins. Then we sorted. Okay, we are buying. We are buying. We are buying. Yeah. So even if this one can still be a loser, we're not gonna go down that heavily in profit. Abo? For those who enjoy over trading and all, don't fight. One trade at a time. When it is in profit, you lock it. If you see another one, hit. It's like that. Do it over and over again. Otherwise, I don't want to make this video 50 hours. Let me shut it down. Yeah. Maybe I will find another buying. We are buying.